Hi, I'm Cynthia and I'm a speech language pathology assistant, and I want to show you how to practice using core words during play. This can be done by using a communication app or with low-tech options such as a communication board or individual icons. So the first thing you need to do is choose a game or activity and one core word to focus on. So I'll be using the ball popper and I'll be focusing on the word go. You can do this by saying it verbally.
Go.
By using their device.
Go.
By pointing to the word on the core board. Or by pointing to an icon. If the student is not independently directing go, you can try the following. You can try a verbal cue such as, when I hear go, the ball will pop.
Go.
Or you can try a gesture prompt. Go. If the student does not respond to the verbal cues or gesture prompts, try not to help them by holding their hand and leading them to the word. Instead, you can simply provide a model prompt on their device or core board. Once your student is successfully using the core word, you can start introducing new words into the activity.